One of our favorite spaces at Heartwood Yoga Institute is the art workshop. This beautiful little space is designed for people to do mindful, tantric art, to be able to kind of understand themselves and to have a new awareness. Whether you are doing the Broken Bowl project or something like mandala rocks or kindness rocks, or making vision boards or other activities, it's a chance for people to gather quietly, to maybe put a little music on in the background, to have an abundance of art supplies available to you, brushes and paints and paper, and to be able to, really seek who we are, what we're thinking, what our feelings are, to capture our emotions and the energies on the page or on the rock or on the art project, whatever it may be. We offer lots of ideas for wellness professionals to be able to incorporate art into their retreat ideas and into their activities here at Heartwood. This way, we have a multidimensional approach to wellness. We have both the movement element, the meditative element, the talking element, and the doing and manifesting element here through art.